Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about financial freedom and online businesses. Imagine waking up anywhere, working on your terms, and earning consistent income. I've done this through affiliate marketing, and I'm here to share the secrets. Let's understand affiliate marketing. You build an online system to promote products or services. Earn commissions for sales through your affiliate link. It's a win-win for you and companies. Let's break down the key elements. Choose your niche. Focus on health, wealth, relationships, or happiness. Attract relevant audiences. Receive payments. Set up PayPal or a bank account. Find affiliate links. Explore platforms like ClickBank, Amazon Associates. Promote affiliates. Build a platform with valuable content and place your affiliate links. Key elements. Choose your niche. Focus on health, wealth, relationships, or happiness. Attract relevant audiences. Receive payments. Set up PayPal or a bank account. Find affiliate links. Explore ClickBank, Amazon Associates. Promote affiliates. Build a platform with valuable content and place your affiliate links. Focus on organic growth. Focus on organic growth by creating high-quality content like blog posts or YouTube videos. Google and YouTube are powerful platforms for search. Optimized content can rank high, attracting viewers to your affiliate links. Email list building. Build an email list to communicate with viewers and send targeted emails promoting your affiliate links. Weber and ConvertKit are popular platforms. Here are some helpful tools for content creation. For video editing, use Final Cut Pro, KineMaster, or DaVinci Resolve. For AI video creation, try Niche AI. Canva is great for graphics, and later for scheduling posts. A website is your digital hub. Use Hostinger's AI Builder. Connect to Google Search Console for better search ranking. Tools like ChatGPT, Play.ht, and Google Bard assist with research and structuring. Use them for guidance, not full content creation. As your system grows, outsource tasks like editing or writing to Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Automate processes to free up your time. Building online businesses takes time and effort, but the rewards are great. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. For in-depth tutorials, check the first link in the description. Click the second link to learn about online income tools. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.